Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make a low-carb cheesecake. Let's get right into it. For your ingredients, you're gonna need almond flour and butter, that's for the crust. And for the filling, we're gonna use Philadelphia cream cheese, eggs. This is Monkfruit sweetener, but you can use any sweetener you want. The main thing is we're replacing real sugar with artificial sweetener. And then sour cream and vanilla extract. We're gonna start by working on our crust. So let's take our almond flour and we're going to put it in a food processor. Of course, I'll include all of my measurements in the description below. And now we're gonna add our butter. So I've already put my butter into cubes and it's been sitting out at room temperature. Now we're gonna put the lid on and start making the crust. All right. Needs a little bit more time. I'm gonna scrape the sides and then continue. All right, that's perfect. That's what your consistency should be like. It is completely smooth and doughy. And we're gonna spread it out with a spatula first. I have a non-stick spring form, so I'm not gonna spray it down with anything. Okay, that looks perfect. We wanna make sure that all of the edges are covered, and we also wanna make sure that there is no space in the middle, that our dough is as evenly spread out across the pan as possible. And we're gonna pop this into the oven now. I have my oven, it's been preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's pop this in for 10 minutes and then we'll get started on the filling. While our crust is baking, we're gonna start working on the filling. So I already put my 2 blocks of cream cheese in here and I'm going to take a hand mixer and we're gonna mix that until it's smooth. Now that I've broken up the cream cheese a little bit, we're gonna first put in our sour cream. We're just adding all of our ingredients in. Okay, sour cream, our eggs, the sugar, or sweetener in this case, and some vanilla extract. All the ingredients are in, and now let's mix it together. All right, our crust is finished. It was in the oven for 10 minutes. We can start filling. So I'm gonna take our filling and just pour it in. Let's spread this mixture out so it's even. We're done filling the cheesecake. We can now take this, throw it back in the oven for about 50 to 60 minutes. Try the 50 first. If it's not done, do the full 60 minutes. And then I'll show you the next steps. Time's up. Let's take it out of the oven. Oh my God. Guys, this smells so good. And you would have absolutely no idea that this is low carb, keto friendly, diet friendly. Smells, oh my God, just absolutely delicious. And now that we've taken it out of the oven, we are going to let it cool for about 10 minutes and then throw it in the fridge for a couple of hours to let it completely chill. I'll see you in a couple of hours. I've taken the cheesecake out of the fridge. It's been sitting in there for about 3 hours now, and it is ready for the taste test. Guys, this looks absolutely amazing. It is low carb, completely guilt-free, and keto-friendly. Can't wait to try it. All right, let's take a little piece here. It holds up really great together. You have to make sure that you chill it in the fridge, otherwise everything will fall apart. So creamy. It tastes just like a real cheesecake. I honestly cannot tell the difference. I have to stop myself from trying to eat this whole thing now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.